Today I'm sharing the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Moisturizer. I have oily skin, I cannot use it on the face, so I am currently using it on my body. I love to slather it on my heels, the feet, the elbows, and a lot of times on my hands as well. So because this is like a really intense kind of a lubricating moisturizing formula, I tend to use it on areas which tend to be a little more dry than the rest of the skin. Guys, according to me, this is an ideal choice for people with like a super dry skin. If you have issues related to dryness of the skin, be it like eczema, wrinkles, fine lines, let's say your skin gets itchy very easily, you get rashes very easily. This is supposed to be suitable for all skin types, and as per the clinical research, it's supposed to increase the skin hydration level by at least 169%. I'm using it like only during the winter months because my skin is kind of oily. As I said, it doesn't get dry so easily, so you can really suit yourself. And also this is one of those family kind of creams which you can just buy as a family pack for the whole family. You can even use it on children. So guys, although the consistency of this cream is kind of thick and dense, it's supposed to be getting absorbed very quickly by the surface of the skin, and I wouldn't say it has a lot of scent, but it does have scent. I wouldn't call it like absolutely scent free, but this is like very mild. I don't think it will stay like once you've applied. And also guys, this is paraben free, no gluten, no soy, and dermatologically tested as well. So guys, Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration by First Aid Beauty is an ideal choice for people who have like distressed skin because of like too much of dryness, and also like have sensitivity of the skin, or you're looking at a very mild routine use kind of a cream. And First Aid Beauty's Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration is something you can give it a try. Alright guys, see you again. Bye bye.